the Rolex sitting at Hobart, I mean, it's just, there's nothing else like it. I mean, just look at the amount of spectators on either side of that course on a day after Christmas Day, you know, loving the scenery, loving the sport of yachting, wishing everyone, you know, success as they sail off on their journeys. It's incredibly spectacular.
It's definitely achievable to break the record this year, so we'll be doing our best to keep up with the front runners, and you never know what luck might fall our way.
Look, the Rolex Sydney Hobart Start is the most exciting sporting event I've ever seen or been involved in. Like, I think what's really good about it is you've got these big boats, they're really close, there's huge spectator fleet, lots of helicopters flying around, the buzz is just amazing, and I think it's always really close.